Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we'll take you step by step through the process of creating a mouth-watering lasagna. So, let's roll up our sleeves, preheat those ovens, and get ready to create a lasagna masterpiece. Step 1. Preparing the sauce. Heat a pan and add olive oil. Sauté onions and garlic until fragrant. You'll find the ingredients in the description box below. Add ground meat and cook until browned. When the beef is all browned, add carrots and parsley. Pour in a bottle of tomato sauce. Add 1 cup of beef broth. Now, it's time to add some flavor. Season with salt, pepper, chili flakes, thyme and sugar. Cover and simmer the sauce for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Step 2. Preparing the bechamel sauce. In a separate pan, melt some butter over medium heat. Once melted, add an equal amount of all-purpose flour and whisk them together until a smooth paste is formed. Pour in the milk, whisking continuously to avoid any lumps. Keep whisking until the sauce thickens. Add some salt and pepper to taste. The bechamel sauce should have a smooth and creamy consistency. Now that we have our sauces ready, let's start step 3. Layering our lasagna. Begin by spreading a thin layer of tomato sauce at the bottom of your 29 by 29 centimeters or 11 by 11 inch Pyrex baking dish. Next, place a layer of lasagna noodles on top, covering the sauce. Spread a layer of the meat sauce over the lasagna. Next, add a layer of shredded cheddar cheese over the meat sauce. Now, add a layer of bechamel sauce over the cheddar cheese, spreading it evenly to create a creamy layer. Repeat the layering process, alternating between the lasagna noodles, meat sauce, cheddar cheese, and bechamel sauce. Finish off with a final layer of bechamel sauce and a generous amount of cheddar cheese on top. Sprinkle the top with dried thyme, adding a delightful aroma. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Before covering your baking dish with aluminum foil, place wooden sticks across the top. These will act as spacers to prevent the foil from sticking to the cheese. Place it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Let it bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Then, remove the foil and let it bake for another 10 to 15 minutes to allow the top to turn golden and bubbly. And there you have it, a mouth-watering lasagna made with a creamy bechamel sauce. It's a delightful twist on the classic, bringing a unique and comforting flavor to the table. We hope you enjoy every bite. If you enjoyed this lasagna recipe, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more delicious recipes like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.